रेडियो उड़ान के अपडेट्स लेने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। फॉर मोर इन्फो लॉग ऑन टू www.radioudan.com।
Greetings, Radio Udan listeners. Rajkumar Rao here. Save the date. Shrikant arrives on May 10th. Let's unite for a journey of inspiration and inclusivity. See you there. Hi, I'm Rajkumar Rao on Radio Udan, where every story shines bright. Join me in embracing diversity, spreading kindness, and celebrating the beauty of every individual. Together, we can make the world a more inclusive place. Keep tuning in.
जी दोस्तों, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। मैं दानिश महाजन प्रोग्राम बदलता दौर में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज बेहद खास इंटरव्यू। आज हम आपको मिलवाने जा रहे हैं एक्टर राजकुमार राव साहब से। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि श्रीकांत बोला के ऊपर जो एक बायोपिक मूवी बन रही है, जिसमें श्रीकांत की भूमिका अदा की है राजकुमार राव साहब ने। श्रीकांत मूवी के ऊपर उनके क्या व्यूज हैं, डिसेबिलिटी को लेके उनकी क्या परसेप्शन है, एक्सेसिबिलिटी के बारे में वो क्या सोचते हैं, ये तमाम सवाल हमने राजकुमार राव साहब से किए और वो क्या समझते हैं ये जाना। इस इंटरव्यू में सबसे पहले हमने राजकुमार राव साहब से पूछा कि इस मूवी को करने से पहले डिसेबिलिटी को लेके उनकी क्या परसेप्शन थी और इस मूवी को करने के बाद उनकी परसेप्शन में क्या चेंजेस आए। तो आइए सुनते हैं उन्होंने क्या कहा।
Well, of course, I had a very different perception like everybody else. The first condition that would come to my mind when I would think about a disabled person is sympathy or feeling pity for them. But when I started spending time with real life, visually impaired people, I realized how normal they are. And they don't need our sympathy. They don't need any kind of pity from us. All they need is equal opportunity. All they need is respect. That's what made Shrikant who he is.
तो मूवी श्रीकांत में सर आपने विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड का रोल किया। Was it challenging?
It wasn't easy at all. We haven't made too many films on visually impaired people, in our industry. But for me, I always want to take a different route and not go with the obvious and the conventional way of playing a visually impaired character. So I spent a lot of time with real life visually impaired people, spent hours in blind schools, observing them, studying them, then spent a lot of time with Shrikant. All that gave me a lot of knowledge, and that was my homework to prepare for Shrikant's part.
इस मूवी में अवेयरनेस भी है, एंटरटेनमेंट भी है, तो इस कॉम्बिनेशन के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
Well, it's a great initiative. I think I'm very hopeful that Shrikant, the film, would change people's perception towards visually impaired people. As I was telling you earlier in my answer, that how all they need is opportunity. They need some support, and because they want to live a normal life, they are visually impaired. It's not in their control, of course. They can't help it, but we can help them by giving them jobs, by giving them equal opportunities. That's what they want from us, nothing else.
इस मूवी में आपने एक्सेसिबिलिटी का ध्यान भी रखा है, तो ये मूवी ऑडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ भी आ रही है, एक्सेल सिनेमा आपके साथ पार्टनर है, तो एक्सेसिबिलिटी पर आपका क्या कहना? क्या आपको लगता है कि सभी मूवीज एक्सेसिबिलिटी के साथ आनी चाहिए और बॉलीवुड इसमें क्या रोल अदा कर सकता है अपना?
Films are for everyone. I think art is for everyone. I'm very glad that we are also releasing it with the commentary attached to the film, because it's accessible for everyone to watch and enjoy the film. Even our trailer, it is available with the commentary for visually impaired people. And I saw the reaction when we played it in theaters and there were a lot of visually impaired people there in the audience member, and they all thoroughly enjoyed it. So I'm very glad that we are doing this, because it makes for a greater cause. And I want to thank the government of India also. It's their initiative also, with their support and our producer's support, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, that the film will reach out to everyone.
ये मूवी टी सीरीज प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है और इसकी जो ऑडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन है वो एक्सेल सिनेमा कर रहा है, तो क्या कहेंगे आप टी सीरीज और एक्सेल सिनेमा के बारे में?
T series is like family, it's always fun to work with T series. I'm doing a lot of work with them. Bhushan sir is dear friend. It's not one of those relationships where they call my manager or my team and through them we talk. We call each other up. If there's anything, that we need to ask, we call each other straight up, and that's the relationship I have with you.
तो लिसनर्स, आपसे यही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप श्रीकांत मूवी को देखें, ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप थिएटर्स में जाएं, खुद भी देखें और अपनी फैमिली को भी दिखाएं, अपने दोस्तों को भी दिखाएं। इंटरव्यू कैसी लगी आपको? कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा। इस लिंक को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें, लोगों तक पहुंचाएं और सुनते रहें रेडियो उड़ान फ्लाइट ऑफ लाइफ। बाय बाय।
Hi everyone, I'm Rajkumar Rao on Radio Udan. Exciting news. My new film Shrikant drops on May 10th. Join us for a story of resilience and inclusivity. See you at the movies. Greetings Radio Udan listeners, Rajkumar Rao here. Save the date. Shrikant arrives on May 10th. Let's unite for a journey of inspiration and inclusivity. See you there. Hi, I'm Rajkumar Rao on Radio Udan, where every story shines bright. Join me in embracing diversity, spreading kindness, and celebrating the beauty of every individual. Together we can make the world a more inclusive place. Keep tuning in.